So you fixed your diet, now what? No gym, no problem. This is Anthony Stewart. This is Proof of Thought. We're questioning everything they've ever said. And a lot of people ask me how much time I spend in the gym, and to be truthful, not much. I go there when I can, but sometimes it's not, just it doesn't suit my life, and I'm not all about it. So, you know, I've kind of physically changed my, well, physique over the last 2 years. And this is actually a little push-up workout that I did when I first started. And, you know, if you do this once a week, it could greatly help. Now, I'm not saying I'm a personal trainer. I'm not saying I'm kind of anything to do with athletics. I do believe we should be lifting heavy once in a while. We should be moving fast once in a while. And not to mention pushing your failure points. Like, you want to be going to as close to failure as possible. This little workout will show you how to do that by yourself, no weights. You will get to where you're at where you're ready to go. First, what you do is you do as many push-ups as you can. See where your threshold is. Try and keep good form. You can use dumbbells for a better range of motion. And what this does, it works on your plank, works on your push-up, works a lot of different muscles, and it puts you at a level where you're at. Even if you can do one, this is the best thing. So what what I do now is I go from 1 to 30. So what it is it's a steady plank. Move your body into plank. Do a push-up. Then you stand up and then clap your arms together. Then do 2. Then 3. And you're doing this progression the whole time. So then 4. All the way up to wherever you start to fail. That's good. If you want to push it past that, it's probably a good thing too. Activating the mitochondria, getting your body to that point of nervous system activation and an adaptation point. Then the key is to rest. So we're going to do this. I'm just going to run through what I do. Right now, my chest is burning. I'm getting a good breath, and now we're gonna keep at it. So when you need to take a break, if you want to push it past the failure point, every set you're doing, you're going to failure, and it's do what you can. Waiting for my breath to come back down to normal. Then we're at 11. So already we've done like over 100 push-ups, and with the dumbbells, it's a greater range of motion. That's failure. Now the blood is flowing all my shoulders and chest. I feel it. This has totally taken me about 5 minutes to get here. I'm already at 2 sets of failure, and I'm going all the way to 25. So here we go. failure. Failure. The dumbbells, you get a deeper range of motion. It gets really hard. If you're just doing push-ups on the flat ground, it's all good. But yeah, the dumbbells give you that extra range of motion, which I can tell already. I can usually do like about 50 push-ups plus. Took me a long time to do this, but you know, it's worth it. Doing your claps at the end gets your body sort of moving. Good for the joints, good for the shoulders. It's not just consistently one motion. So, and it breaks up the monotony of the push-ups and the sets. So the secret is find out what your max is. How many push-ups you can do just normal at one shot. Then work up to that. When you're doing your push-ups and your standing claps, start at 1, go to 2, go to 3, go to 4, go to 5, and about halfway, probably around halfway to your maximum push-up number, you're gonna start failing. The key is to fail, take a rest, finish whatever it takes to get there. If you're failing every push-up or every 2 push-ups, it's probably when you're done. You've done it. This is the adaptation thing where your body's gonna respond to we need to do more. So what you're gonna wanna do is rest for a week, try it again. This is no gym, no problem. And push-ups arguably are a great way to gauge your physical strength. I mean, without weights and you know what we do, what we can do. There's a lot of arguments out there saying, you know, push-ups are bad, blah, blah, blah. Well, you know what, as far as my bench press is the strongest it's ever been. At 48 years old, I only bench press maybe twice a year. And you know, I'm repping well over my body weight for good solid 3 to 5 reps. And you know, this is a way to, you know, find the time to gauge your strength with no gym. It's a great way to sort of test yourself. It's a great way to get your chest and your muscles defined. This is it. Hopefully it can help some people. Stay strong.